Hi everyone, it's Bonnie here with the Laughing Tree Organics, and today I wanted to introduce to you one of my favorite self-care products, which is our Renew Facial Clay Mask. And I'll give you a peek. You can see how beautiful and green that French clay is. It's a beautiful deep color to it. This mask is just infused with incredible minerals. So we're talking minerals like copper and phosphorus. There's volcanic ash in here and oxides. We blended it then with organic shea butter, lavender, rose, grapeseed oil. So everything that is so nourishing and good for your skin. And what the French clay mask will do for you, it's going to pull out impurities, okay, that are in your skin. And this is a wonderful self-care, routine to pull together and do for yourself around this time of year in the fall. Because let's face it, we were sweating a lot and the sebaceous oils and all of that. So this will really give your skin a good cleansing and prepare it for the new season. You can use this as a spot treatment as well because it's going to calm irritation and any type of eruption from acne as well. So I think you'll really love it. It will tighten your pores. It's going to tighten your skin a little bit after it does the full cleansing of the impurities in your skin. So what we're going to do is we are going to apply a thin layer. I like to use a brush, but you can use your fingers if you'd like. So staying away from your eye area, you just want to put a nice thin layer on like so. Get your hair out of there. One thing about applying a mask is you may want to do a little test first, make sure you don't have any reaction to any of the ingredients in here, but again, they're natural, they're minerals. And the key is to keep this mask on a good 9 to maybe 12 minutes at the most. You don't want it to really fully dry, just enough so that your skin absorbs all those beautiful nutrients and minerals in there. So I'm going to finish applying this to my face and my décolletage area, and we'll be back shortly. I'm back. So I finished applying my beautiful mask to my face and my décolletage area here. It's already starting to firm and tighten a little bit. I can feel it. It's even a little bit tingly. It feels wonderful on my skin. It smells beautiful. So if this is something you can do for your skin, maybe even once or twice, every couple of weeks, I think it's a beautiful self-care ritual, and it's just so nourishing. You'll really be happy you did it. You'll feel better taking the time to do this for yourself and for your skin. So I'm just going to step away, wash this off in a few minutes, and we'll see the results. Hello, I'm back. I washed off the beautiful French clay mask from my skin. It feels so incredibly smooth. And I think it's kind of glowing a little. What do you think? So I highly recommend this mask. You'll really, really love it. It just will do wonders for your skin. So good. And now I'm going to apply some of our face serum with hyaluronic acid. And this will really, really be absorbed beautifully now that we had the primer mask. So we're just going to take a couple of drops of that and just pat that right into our skin. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. I love this beautiful face serum. It is infused with grapeseed oil, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, as I mentioned, and jojoba, geranium. The smell is out of this world. So there you go. Face mask this fall. Do it for yourself. You deserve it. Use a little bit of hyaluronic acid serum following, or your favorite moisturizer, because your skin is going to absorb it even more following a mask. So try it, and please reach out to Laughing Tree Organics if you have any questions, and we hope to see you soon.